Ian Robinson here, landscape photographer. Just having a cup of coffee before I shoot off to landscape location, Southwold in Suffolk, and it is very unsociable 4:45. Just waking myself up with a quick coffee before we shoot out into the van, and off we go. Say hello, Richard.
Hello, Richard.
Right, let's go.
And action.
All I need is a break in the clouds just over there for us to get the sunrise. Although over there we're getting colour, but it's in the wrong place. So what I might have to do is go the other side of the pier and see if I can get the composition from there. So we're on the right side of the pier now, which is there. If it's not, I'm not getting enough definition with that cloud up there, because it's not very defined, if I'm honest. It's not a very nice day today, to be honest, so we haven't picked the best day for this. We're going to see what we can get out of it anyway, and it'll probably be a mono. Like I say, I've got a two-stop half-graduated filter on, and it's a Lee filter. I'll use live screen. I have my white square there, and I have back button focus, and I just basically focus it so the square goes green, and once it's green, then I generally focus sort of out there somewhere, so I'm getting infinity focusing. I'm set up with my composition. My composition is this post here, leading our eye up and leading our eye with the pier that way as well. Okay, so I've got my exposure, and generally speaking I like to shoot ISO 100, anywhere between 100 and 200 on a landscape, hence why I've got a tripod, hence why I've got a remote trigger, and we got the filter to counteract the sky being blown out. So what we want is that white square there. If I'm on autofocus, I need to be on autofocus for this to happen. I half click, and you'll notice with my exposure it's 1.5 stops almost above exposure, yet my histogram is not touching either side. Now that is why you go by the histogram and not your exposure reading here. So when I take the photo, you should get an image like that, which basically none of that is blown out. It's quite highlighted, but then when you get into processing, you can bring all the highlights down. You've got all the detail retained. There's no blown out parts, and there's no underexposed parts either. The problem with underexposed parts, once you start trying to regain your underexposed areas, you'll see a lot of grain in your shot. Now I'm going to show you how to take a photograph of the streaks in the water and give them that streaky effect to give a little bit of movement, but not too much movement in the water. The way we achieve that is we look at the water, we see how fast that's flowing in and out, and we determine what shutter speed we want. But I probably need 1/6 of a second shutter. Let's have a look. Lovely old job. You can see, so all the time my exposure is changing. I'm on manual mode, and I can see already that's gone up 1 stop from light. So while I'm talking, the stops in light are going up. So what we need to do is readjust. What I want to do is wait for the waves to come in and then draw out and take the shot. Okay, ready, take the shot. And there we have it. You what?
What dirty cock.
We are going on the other side of the pier.
The pier?
The pier.
Right, who then?
Try this one. Yeah, it's more like it. Right, if you liked the video, guys, and I do appreciate you watching, this is the first vlog I've ever done. If you like it, we're going to do some more, and we'll, you know, go through different settings for different scenarios. The next video I'd like to go through long exposures with different filters, but until then, subscribe down below, and it's a lovely old job.